Um, hey guys, I'm just doing this. Yeah, and it's right here. Yeah. I think this is better than Be Gone. I mean, it's kinda, but like, see, this is Be Gone. It's Red Quarters 2, and it's freaking epic. Hey, stop looking, bro. Yeah, level freaking 9. Dun 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 dun. Freaking red team. Donna, Donna, dun 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 dun. Yeah, I bet Be Gone doesn't have this. Freaking awesome. Donna, 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 dun 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 dun. What the hell? What the? What in the world was that? Did you see me commit suicide? No. 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 You ain't gonna get this. You ain't gonna get this. No. 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 The freak! Who did that? I'm gonna kill whoever did that. Where'd he go? Yes, he died. Down. Oh no, he's right there. I killed this guy. There you go. No, no, he's trying to get that. Never. I will crush it. Oh, there it is. There's my jet. There's my jet. I'ma get it. Yeah, I'ma get it. No one's gonna touch this. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. Yeah, yeah. I'ma get it. What's up, bruh? Where's the blue people, man? I wanna kill them. I'ma get it. Oh, oh, oh. There they are. Die. They're little. Oh, someone's shooting me. Not anymore. Okay. Somebody's gonna die now. Somebody's gonna have to die. Oh, there he is. This is my chance. I'm gonna sneak up on him. Dun 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 dun. Yee. What? You better die. Dun 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 The little prick. Trying to kill me. Can't kill this. What? He's trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me. Ah, he killed me. He freaking killed me. Nah, I hate this. Listen, bro. Oh, not supposed to see that. No. Okay, I'm gonna end it here for today, guys. Until next time. Bye.